So hello guys, hi from Bangkok. Hope you are doing fine. Technically this is day one of my quarantine. I would like to show you how my life looks like in this quarantine. This is not a big room. You can see this is a very small room, but then I have to live in this for 14 days. Actually technically 15 days. First day, yesterday is the first day, but they will consider it as day 0. So today is the day 1 and I'll show you my routine. Actually the time is 9:15 or so now. If you see these rules are meant for me. I should follow all these rules. At 8 o'clock I will get the breakfast. So let us check if the breakfast has come already. I think it should come. You see this? I should not cross this one. And also my name is written here. I just woke up and I just should get fresh and take that breakfast. Meet you after the breakfast. Actually, I need to sneak peek. So just now took the breakfast. Let us see what's in it. So this is A63, my room number. Actually, I ordered for pure vegetarian food. But then yesterday they unfortunately delivered non-vegetarian, but I just returned that. They said apologies for that and they gave me vegetarian food. From today onwards, they are not doing like that. I think this is vegetarian. Something. Kela. Some sandwich and fries. Who will eat fries in the morning? Will you eat fries in the morning? Okay, you should live with this. Nothing to do. Complete my breakfast and see you. Before that, I forgot to say one thing. Actually, I was tested negative in Chennai. The Thai rules. According to those rules, I should be in quarantine for 14 days. So this all happens. Okay. Actually, I should say one thing. From today onwards, you should get used to a word called AIT. This one. It stands for Asian Institute of Technology and we will not say full name. AIT ante Asian Institute of Technology and మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Yes, Asian Institute of Technology లో nature is one of the best thing. అద్భుతమైన లొకేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. Meanwhile, I complete my breakfast and meet you. Watch this beautiful time lapse out there. And also, I'll give my chota sa room tour, which is not a big room, but it has a lot of amenities. In this room, I have a bed, I have a washroom, dining table, I have a computer table, I have a shelf, I have a wardrobe, I have a lot of things. So I will give you the chota sa room tour after this vlog. Meanwhile, you watch this beautiful time lapse. Actually,
तो जब भी गले में खिचखिच हो विक्स लो,
विक्स की गोली लो, खिच दूर करो.
actually there is no much movement or clouds or anything to show. ఇప్పుడే కార్ రావాలి, ఇప్పుడే అన్ని సౌండ్లు రావాలి, ఇప్పుడే అన్ని రావాలి. బికాజ్ ఐఎమ్ లాగింగ్ కదా, వెంటనే వచ్చేయాలి. వచ్చేయండి, ఒక 10 కార్లు వచ్చేయండి. ఇంకో కారు, ఒక 20 కార్లు రేసింగ్ పెట్టుకుంటే బాగుంటుందేమో. నేను ఐ వాజ్ స్టక్ ఇన్ హియర్, సో కుడ్ గెట్ ఓన్లీ లిమిటెడ్ టైమ్ ల్యాప్సెస్. అంత బాగోకపోవచ్చు, బయటికి వెళ్ళినంత మాత్రం చాలా బాగుంటాయి. ఎస్, ఐ మీన్ ఇట్, ఐ నో ఇట్. బట్ ఎనీవేస్, టైమ్ ల్యాప్స్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ 3, 2, 1. So that is pretty much of this time lapse. I can show you some other time lapses also once I am out. Once I go out of this quarantine after 14 days, technically 15 days, sorry 16 days, I will give you the best locations possible on this campus. There are some things that I need to do every day in this quarantine. The first thing is that every morning you should check your temperature with a thermometer which is placed there. You should check your own temperature, take a photo of that and you should send that screenshot to the concerned person. A person will always guide you. First of all, before only they kept some 18 water bottles. I have completed 3. Everything they have kept ready for us, like toothpaste, sanitizer, moisturizer, conditioner, everything, garbage bags, everything. In this video, I'll show you the entire day of the quarantine. Each and every day, all these 14 days pretty much looks like that. But on 5th or 4th day, they will be testing me for the swab test. On the 11th day, I think again they will do another swab test. Temperature check has been completed. Guess my temperature. Yes, 36.6 degrees C. Fine. You know what? My college, Asian Institute of Technology, is providing me a quarantine for 10,000 Thai baht. That is 25,000 INR. 25,000 రూపాయలు. Once you enter Thailand, you should give that quarantine details also. ఏ హోటల్లో ఉంటున్నావో ఆ హోటల్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఆ క్వారంటైన్ సెంటర్ యొక్క డీటెయిల్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. ప్రీమియం హోటల్స్ ఆర్ ఛార్జింగ్ లైక్ 30,000 baht. Starting 30,000 is more than 70,000 rupees. I don't know why the safety kante kuda ekkuva business la ayipoyindi, but anyways we should follow the rules. So this is what it is. You know what, till now I didn't watch Money Heist. Seriously, ee quarantine start ayin tarvata I just watched 3 episodes. I have no words. Extraordinary series. Before my quarantine completes, I'll complete all the seasons of Money Heist. This series is amazing. I know everybody knows this, but just wanted to share with you.
Later that same evening.
This is evening of my quarantine life. ఈవినింగ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఐఏఎస్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ లో ఉంటుందన్నమాట. అంటే ప్రిసైజ్లీ చెప్పాలంటే మనకి అన్ని టైం టు టైం వచ్చేస్తాయి అనమాట. మార్నింగ్ 8 o'clock కి బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్, మధ్యాహ్నం 12 అయ్యేసరికల్లా లంచ్, ఈవినింగ్ 5 o'clock అయిన వెంటనే మనకి డిన్నర్ రెడీగా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. లెట్స్ సీ డిన్నర్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు. లాస్ట్ 3 days I told them that I am a vegetarian, so they sent me dal on the first day. Okay, I thought it's good, it's a good sign. Once ఎప్పుడైతే నేను దాల్ అని చెప్పానో, I told them dal, they are killing me with dal. Morning breakfast dal and roti, lunch dal and roti, dinner dal and roti. 2 days like that, dal and roti. Arey, how should I eat with dal and roti? If anybody from the management is seeing this, please understand the position from here also. Dal and curry 3 times a day without any salt in it, without proper ingredients, only dal. Kashtame. Anyways, we will enjoy the dinner. Some sorted veggies with broccoli, carrot, wow, apples. It looks so pleasing, but it's not. It's quarantine. We need to follow some rules. We need to adjust with this. It will be a big hell lot of task to understand who eats which food and providing them with that particular customization. I can understand, but thoda sa change hona padega. Thoda sa. My friends who are studying in Sweden, after they land in Sweden also, they don't have any quarantine rules or any test you need to do if you are going to Sweden, like European countries. Why I don't know. Thailand have put a lot of rules, lot of process into this travel. Of course, one good thing is that my institution AIT is refunding us half of the amount we paid for the insurance. Why I am this much concerning, because why I am stressing out like this, because once we entered into India from here, Thailand, in March when COVID is happening, they saw us like insects, what we call purugulla juicer, means they saw us like aliens. They even made posters on our house like home under quarantine and all. They behaved like that. And once we enter Thailand again for resuming our studies or with job purpose, anything, these people are treating us like that. The thing is that the people who travel for safety are suffered a lot. So that is my concern. So that's what this is the quarantine life in AIT. I'll see you very soon on the AIT campus within a week or so, showing the beauty of this campus. That's it for this video. Until I see you next time, stay cool, stay awesome, and stay inspired. Bye.